Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, and nandito tayo sa Philam Friendship Highway and to check out this newly opened Korean bakery na I heard talagang napakatagal na sa industry.
Actually, this is bread doon, no? So, bagong bukas lamang to, pero the people behind this have been in the industry for decades. Guys, titingnan natin kung gaano kasarap yung mga tinitinda nila. So, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So this is it. This is actually the counter. So this is a bakery slash coffee shop na rin because they serve hot coffees, cold coffees, and refreshments. But aside from that, heavily ang mga product po nila dito mga tinapay. Iba-ibang klaseng tinapay. If I may count them, siguro around 50 different kinds of breads, guys. So ranging from this one, baguette. Meron tayong, we call this bonjour. And then from here, so you can actually pick from here. Isa sa mga highlight natin, guys, available dito yung mga cakes nila. So, ranging from, rolls, small cakes, up until big cakes. And then from here, meron din tayong mga sandwiches, croissant sandwich, pecan tart. Actually, guys, meron silang mga, sweets, yung mga pang-indulge ganyan. And then they also have yung mga healthy sides ng mga bread. Almost half ng mga breads nila dito, yung mga sinaserve nila, mga pang-healthy side, guys.
So this one, ito yung kalahati nung tinatawag nilang mammoth bread. Tinawag nilang mammoth kasi daw malaki. Yan. So, meron siyang cream inside, meron siyang strawberry jam, mga walnuts, and different kinds of mga nuts dito sa loob. Yun, no? Laki!
Actually, guys, again, isa sa mga tinapay na parang ayaw mong kainin dahil sobrang ganda niya, guys. Sorry, ayun. Medyo... So, parang siyang chocolate. And then, moist bread. Alright. Galing.
Pwede na pa dahil sa akin to. Sugar-free, healthy, and organic.
Sobrang busog.
Yes, nag-enjoy ako dito sa napaka-simple lang pero napakasarap na mga breads dito.
So I think before we end our video, tanungin natin mga kasama natin, saan ba sila nag-enjoy? Anong mga items na nag-enjoy sila?
Itong beet juice.
Okay.
Beet juice.
How about for the bread?
Korean bun. Garlicky yung ano niya, lasa. Super yummy.
Signature daw nila to.
Signature pala nila yun. Ako naman, siyempre guys, you know me, medyo sweet tooth ako sa so for the drinks, yan, Biscoff coffee, na-enjoy ako dito. And then this one, yung mammoth.
Yes, yung mammoth yung must try nila dito sa bread doon.
Actually, everything is must try. Everything is a must try. Depende na lang talaga kung ano yung mga tipo.
Yeah.
So, if you're interested to go here, yan, they're open from?
They're open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. And they're located dito sa may Philam Highway, Angeles City. And ang pinaka-landmark lang naman nila is malapit lang sila doon sa quiet intersection.
Yes. So again, this is newly open. And also, we would like to invite our Filipino friends, yung mga nanonood ng Where in Pampanga, to come and check out this place. It's a must. It's a recommended place for you to check out.
Especially kung kayo naghahanap ng Korean breads with the taste and the feel, visit dito sa may bread doon.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Ito lang next discovery.
Peace out!